applied with them, they gave me 11 pound. I don't know, but they give you shifts like more like village side, but one like because you have to drive, to
Very
go there.
far,
But
okay.
they do have work, and it's like I have been there. I did only one shift with them, and that was like a care home. I have been there, but for only one client, through New Cross. I accepted that shift, and that was good.
What is called New Cross?
New Cross, yeah, New Cross Healthcare, but they require minimum 3 months experience. But the Farah, you don't need any experience. So I'll tell you, New Cross Healthcare, and for the Farah, if you search on your phone, I can tell you the website. So you can go on the website. You can either ring that number, like which is mentioned on the website. You can just tell them like you want to register.
You can please write it down for me. That one, I think it's
The Farah.
sometimes they might have branches in
Different
The
areas.
Farah work in the Farah, like this agency, they work in Sheffield and
Sheffield.
they do.
Sheffield. Yes, I'm not very far, but sometimes if I get a job, I can relocate. Where there's opportunity, I think I'm just not going to
The Farah
restrict
Gate
myself.
services, so so they
Oh,
do
it's
give you,
Farah.
they will give you,
unongoenda
they
kune
will
basa
give you
chamwari
shifts.
iwo unokuita zvinhu zvimbo ukaita zvebasa ukaita basa ndokounoenda.
Yeah.
I know another agency like Voice Care Services.
Kuenda zvivi
Care,
foni yangu
but they
nayo
have work like challenging work, and that I don't
hanzi
accept.
nandimaoni masa ini ndikuona munhu wani chete if ko vamwe
They
varipi.
sent me.
I only see one person. If where are the others? I think the network is playing up. Let me check with another phone.
Yeah. So basically, I worked. I have been there somewhere like through them, and that client was like, trust me, I got sick over there. And
At
the
least
client
this
was
is
like,
iri kuburisa ya isi
she was
kuburisa.
she has mobility issue. And,
Ndakutoona nemefoni
I have
ndandangoona
been there,
one
like,
hanzi
after
iya ndisi kuona ine
6
amai anesi ndakuona
like,
itiripo
after
alright
spending
ndakuona
6
imanje but
hours
haina
by train,
kwaisikonesa
and then
vanhu
got
vangani.
taxi, I spent
Okay
a lot of money
guys.
on the taxi, and then the day I
Okay
arrived,
guys, yaticheguwa fast tisatainda.
that was very
Hey,
challenging.
let's talk about
Lady
let's talk
was
about
ringing the
let's talk about
bell,
COS.
ringing the bell every
Kabata
5
tokufamba
minutes.
zviri chikubata. You said when did you come here? 2020.
2020, yeah.
What visa did you?
I
what
was
visa?
a student, so
You came with a student visa.
yeah.
So when is it
But
expiring?
now I've been working since 2 years as a support worker, so I need any company that gives sponsorship visas. Like
Okay.
I'm willing to work, but I don't know. Like people do suggest to be like companies are offering sponsorship visa, but they are charging money. But I don't want to pay any amount. I just want some company to, because I have got experience. I just want them to please.
So what you said your sister's got a company, why is she not giving you a COS? Because next year your visa is expiring,
Yeah.
right? And you are supposed to go back. Home office will say go back home.
I'm not going back. I just
What are you going to do?
I am still going to work, but that's why I'm looking for a company that offers sponsorship visas to like.
But why is your sister not giving you one and giving other people?
My sister.
Hey,
She never mentioned 16.
she did. She told
My
me.
sister.
No.
Who did you say she's got? She's not. She's bringing other people from other countries.
My sister is not there.
She never said so.
No, we spoke
She
something.
was
when we were
not my
there.
sister.
Okay, when I
Oh,
was
she was she.
No, she will. Like I have to. I know. No, my manager. She will sponsor me, but I'm not sure. What if she doesn't sponsor me? I have to think about
No, you said there's somebody who's sponsoring other people from other countries, but she's your relative. But
because
she's
I
not.
have got a visa right now.
But she's not sponsoring you.
She will sponsor,
Who's she?
but I'm not sure. That lady, she will sponsor me.
Oh,
but
she's the one you were calling your sister.
No.
No, she did.
she
You were
is
not
not
there.
my sister.
You were not there.
Listen. Okay, so I told her, I mentioned you about my sister that
Yes.
that she has been to Pakistan. So when she came back, she couldn't get any work because people, I don't know, she was working with one agency and they are recruiting more people from Pakistan and so that's why she can't get a chance to. Yeah, that's why. So, there is another lady who is going to sponsor me. The reason why she's not, doing it right now because she knows that I have got visa for at least next 5, 6, 7 months. So
Okay,
she
till
wants to
next year.
sponsor me
Till May.
maybe in April or you know. So I want her to sponsor me now because this visa will not include later on. Like you know, I'm just wasting my
Okay.
2 years. You know, because I'm on PSW visa, guys. So this visa will never include. You know, when I'll be getting the citizenship. You know, so this visa will not include. That's why I want her
you are
to
getting the
sponsor me.
citizenship.
I will because if the lady is going to sponsor me for 4 years,
then
and
you get this,
I was 1.5 year was my like student time period. So 4 and 5. So after 5 years, I can get a you know. Yeah. So
Okay. So guys, listen. This girl here, this young woman here, she's got it's a degree.
people are laughing.
It's a degree in finance, ne? You get a degree in finance.
Accounting. I have done my masters in accounting and finance.
Okay, she's done a master's in accounting and finance, but now she's working in the care sector. She's working in the care sector. So she came student visa, but it's expiring next year in May. So she's got experience now in the care sector. So she's trying to look for someone who can just sponsor her because she's already here. She's already here. So she's trying to look for a sponsor who can just take her from here, just give her a job here, and then she can continue working here because she's got experience, she's got everything. She's doing, you know, more certificates, more experience and things like that. So you get me? You get what I'm saying, guys? Yeah. So
Tell them to write messages in English, please. I can't read their language.
guys,
They must be laughing
guys,
at
village
me.
meeting. She's saying you must write in English.
They must be laughing at me. They will be
No, they're not
making
laughing
fun
at
of
you.
me.
They're not laughing at you. They're not laughing at you. So, guys, those ones with care agents, guys, you don't want somebody like I think I posted one like last
What does that mean? Shamiso Makawa?
She's tagging somebody. She's tagging somebody. I think last week, guys, I mentioned to you, where did you meet? Here. No, but this COS, they are on two, guys. There are other companies that are advertising that if you are already in UK and you have everything, right, they can take you. So we have people here that have got agencies, right, and they don't want to sponsor from people in Africa. They want to sponsor locally. She's already here. Here details, please. You see, now you see, she's asking for details already.
Okay.
Hold on.
Hello.
Your number.
So my
She says I love you. Give me your number.
Okay, my number.
Eh,
Do all the Zimbabwe.
doesn't matter. She's not
Can I
Zimbabwean.
Type it.
send you my
She's Zimbabwean.
Okay.
She's not Zimbabwean. It's fine. Just
Okay.
like me writing your number here. What are they going
Number
to do?
or email?
I always write my
What
number on
should
the
I
daily
write?
platforms. They don't do
What
nothing.
should I write? Number or
Your
email?
number. Okay. I think give them so that she can call you.
Okay. 077
777
24
24
34
34
17
17
92.
92. You must give me feedback, ne? Aisha.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Wow. Good.
I know how to write Aisha.
Yeah.
Right. Guys, Kimberly, I've pinned your details. You can call her on that number. You see, I've pinned the details. I know there are so many companies here. There are so many agents, owners here that normally says we want people locally. There you go. There she's got experience. She has been here for 5 years. She's not 2023, 3 years.
Almost
3 and a half
years.
3.5 years. She's got experience because she's already working in the sector, and I think she's got so many. She's so much experience. Care certificates, so many care certificates. So she's working there. Anton experience, guys. Anton experience. Vanoda muna remundu locally. Chitora uyu pakambani ari kushanda. She's the only. You said you're the only one. Only Pakistan on the company that she's working. She's the only Pakistan.
I'm the only Pakistani here working with them.
Yeah, she's the only Pakistan company.
The only
Pakistan.
strong Pakistan.
The only strong. You're working together.
No, we are working the same
We
company.
are working in the
but
same
different-
company.
in-
But different branches.
Different places. Yeah.
You married? You're not. Are you dating?
No. We just
Our company has sent us here. They booked this training for
yeah.
us.
Oh, you're coming from the
The
South
rest
and
of
they
people
booked
has
for
done
you.
it already. They
Oh,
booked
they
it.
booked
Yeah,
for you
yeah.
guys. Oh, wow. Saka daizika iwe vanhu muzimbabwe changa ukangu waratora munhu yadonzwa pana pane chikoro nekambani yake take
it would be
care.
nice if we were mates though.
Take care. It would be nice if you can date him. You want it?
Yeah.
You can marry her.
No, I don't.
Are you going to keep up with Asian laws?
Oh God.
Asian.
Where is she staying? I live in Manchester.
Asian
Manchester.
They
Manchester
brought-
is Kimberley, but she's willing to anyway she can come. Anyway she can come.
Yeah, I live in Manchester, but I work somewhere else.
Yeah.
So it's not like specifically in Manchester.
Yeah.
I can move.
Madam, how old are you?
I'm 28.
28. I vow. She's okay. You can marry her.
Sure.
What do you mean?
not bad.
I can't marry non-Muslim.
Why?
I can't marry to a non-Muslim person. Cause
Why? Who said that you are married to a Muslim? Who said that? You can break that case,
No, I
it's a
can't.
case. Why? You
I
can't
don't want to
why?
go in hell.
It's a case. You must marry whoever that you love.
No, okay, listen.
Hey.
No, I'm not in love. We just met the second time.
No, but you can.
here.
Yes, it's the second time, but you can learn each other. You can know each other.
Oh, listen. You know
I'm
what?
listening.
If a Muslim girl want to marry a non-Muslim, and if he is willing, he has to convert in my religion. I can't marry to a non-Muslim.
Who said that?
My religion.
Your religion?
Yes.
You can break that if you don't want. You must
I
get-
can't break. No, I want to
Listen,
die as a Muslim
Aisha,
girl.
listen, Aisha, listen, Aisha. You are no longer living in the 50s.
Exactly.
You are running with the time, right? You are, listen, you're an internet girl. You know, it's gone are the days whereby your parents used to force us to marry people that we don't love, all in the name of culture and this. You do what your heart wants.
I
do
will
what you
love
want.
marry, but not with him. Not with him. I'm not. Oh, we
Oh,
are
you don't want
colleagues,
him.
and I don't. No.
You don't have feelings for him.
Wait, I am meeting him. I don't even know his name. It's the second training that we've been doing together. We have been here earlier this month, but I don't know his name even because he was.
tell you.
No, I don't want to marry him.
But okay, all right, no problem.
I want to
All
marry
right, so you don't- all
Pakistani
right,
guy, British
all right,
Pakistani
all
guy.
right,
Guys,
okay,
can you
listen.
please tell good Pakistani
All right,
families
listen.
here
Okay,
in
listen. Let me
Tell
ask
them-
you.
tell them
Okay,
so.
listen.
I'm looking for a guy.
Okay, you want to marry a Pakistani guy. You don't want to
British
marry a
Pakistani
Nigerian.
guy.
You don't want to marry a Nigerian. Thank you for 100 stars, Tsungi. Thank you for 100 stars against Sisters Day. Okay, thank you for 100. So, you're saying right now you have a boyfriend.
I don't have any boyfriend, but
Why?
I really want to get married this year, but with
This
a
year?
Pakistani British guy, guys. I am a Muslim girl and I have
What
to
if
marry
you get you a
Pakistan.
Muslim black someone?
Huh?
If you get a Muslim black someone
Like from your
from us, but it's Muslim. Is it okay?
no,
Why?
like Asian.
So you must only marry from your country.
No, it's not. People do get married from different people from different countries, but they are Muslim. But I can't. I have to marry an Asian guy.
Okay.
Yeah, an Asian guy. People do get married with the British white British
so
people.
you Muslims, when you are in your country in Muslim, right, and you are dating a guy, do you sleep with them before you get married?
No, in my country, no.
So you saying you are a virgin?
We yes.
You are a virgin, you?
Sorry,
Aisha,
sorry, love, sorry.
Aisha,
Please, why you?
I'm just asking. Are we going back? Guys, tell me the lunch here, tell me the
You've answered lots of questions.
We want to understand. We are trying to understand. We are trying to understand their culture, guys. We are trying to understand their culture.
She says she will be disowned by her family.
Allow
No,
you
no,
to-
no, guys, it's not like that. My family is not against the love marriage, but I have to marry my Muslim Asian guy.
Yeah.
I can go for love marriage, but with my Pakistani British guy, Asian guy, I can marry with him. But if we talk about like white British people, I like if he's a non-Muslim, and I am in love with him, so if he wants to marry me, because I can't leave my religion for him, because but if he is willing to marry me, he has to accept convert in my religion, and then once he is converted, then we can marry. It's not a problem.
Okay, even if he's
Yeah,
not
if
Muslim.
even he is not Muslim, he has to accept my religion. He'll be Muslim after, and then we can marry.
What if
But-
what if he's not Muslim after?
No. He
You
will,
can't-
because
you can't
once
say
you
with
say
it.
there is no Allah, there is no God except Allah. Yeah, once he says, he'll be Muslim afterwards. So, anyways, but I'm still looking for a Pakistani guy, like Asian guy, British guy.
I mean, Pakistan guy.
Why British? You
No,
want to
man,
get
British.
that?
He's always mentioning British.
Sorry, guys, no offense, but I just want to marry a Pakistani guy, like British Pakistani guy.
People from Pakistan are quite strict with their religion and also. Is it back?
Yeah.
Oh my
Guys,
God!
takwinda, guys, tadzoka peta
Tell them to
lunch.
follow me. I didn't receive.
No, we are still here, right?
We are on Facebook.
Yes, we are in Facebook. We are coming back after the show, and tomorrow we are still going to be here again.
Yeah,
so
we are going to be here.
Please go and follow her. I pinned your numbers there. I pinned your IG handle. Please just go and follow her. She's going to follow
Where is?
you. She's
They
going
can't
to,
see my profile.
They saw it. That one that I posted.
No,
that
but they forgot, that you
Okay,
just have to
okay,
write it here
okay,
again.
write
So, guys,
Right.
follow my Instagram, yeah. Can you? I am a Y. Sorry, it's single Y. And S. So I'm Aisha. Yeah.
then you pin it,
So
pin
yeah,
it.
guys, just guys, please follow me on
She's going
Instagram
to,
if you can.
guys, just give her some love. Show her some
Please, I really need.
love, guys. Show her some love, guys. Show her some love.
I want to be an influencer, but guys, please, when you go on my profile, yeah, please don't make fun, because I am
going
the
to
only
follow you.
person.
They're
I
going
am
to
the
follow
only
you.
person who.
They are your love. These are your loves.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Like I have never been live before. I am on I'm not a celebrity. I'm not an influencer. I just post whatever I like. Sometimes I wear my Asian clothes. I get ready. I do my own shoots. I do my own makeup. So, yeah.
All right.
If you guys please follow me. Once I finish my training, I want to receive. So I don't know. Like I just want.
Already you've got
when-
9. that
Guys,
have followed
please.
you.
So, are we on Instagram?
No, we are on
It's Facebook.
now.
Yeah, guys, please. This is my. I'm not on Facebook. Yeah, so this is my Instagram. Guys,
So,
please follow me.
People
Follow
are
me.
in the class. Tatang, are we started?
He's not in yet.
Oh, it's
Okay,
not in.
okay, guys.
Tatang got teacher Mauya.
Guys, I can. Can I search my Instagram here? Do you
Wait.
have Instagram here?
On this phone, no. It's on this one.
Can you bring my phone? It's on the charge. On the floor. It's on the floor, yeah. On charge. Can you bring it so that I may show my profile to guys? Sir, I'm coming.
coach is
I'm
here.
asking people to follow me. Sir,
Guys, good teacher.
I'm so funny.
Okay.
Bring my phone. Please, can you bring my phone? Wait, guys, 1
They
minute.
say they love you
Stay
in
here.
Gokwe, Zimbabwe.
Thank
They
you,
say
thank
they
you.
love
Yeah, I would also love to follow you guys.
Quickly,
1 minute, 1 minute.
quickly. Hai ichiche basa wizvizvi because teacher vapinda takangogara pashi ngoti chikoro chedu chevana vakuru saka tikungopengereka tiri muclass asi muclass munonakidza guys teacher wacho havasi strict stereki.
Guys, let me show you my profile, yeah? Instagram profile.
kwaiko sisimeni zvamaiti shamwari ishe zvokuti ndaitei kana ndaitei zvadaita ndigoni kushandira munhu things can change, levels can change,
So guys, this is
levels can
my.
change. Kuka ndikada kuvhura kambani yangu ke
So guys, this is my Instagram profile. If you like,
can't
can you
see
see
it
this
properly.
picture? Yeah. So
they
it's
can't see it properly.
okay.
They can't see properly. Nai munhu angati kuti kwai nekuti makamboti hamudi zvokuti hamugoni zvokushandira
I don't
munhu
know why.
tinotogona zvepapo kana zvinhu zvaoma patakambocha mabhurugwa
Can
evanhu
you
kudhara
focus?
takambocha mabhurugwa evanhu kudhara ticha mapizi job nekuaina taishandirani handishandira vanhu tatisingazvidi.
What are you talking, lady?
Okay.
Oh, did
They
they have followed me? Some people have sent.
Let's go.